And if you want to know how you can find a deal less than $100,000 that cash flow, then you found the right video. Hey, let's cue that intro, please. Hey, how's it going, friend? Juan Pablo here. Thanks for visiting our channel. We greatly appreciate your viewership. Now, on this channel, we like to focus on the three pillars to financial freedom, which are personal finance, funding, and real estate investing, with an emphasis on multi-units and multifamily investing. So without further ado, let's jump into this deal analysis. All right, so we're going to look at the deal of the week. So this is the deal that we sourced. Now I'm just going to do a screen share here just to keep information confidential and private. You know, we have students that we prioritize these deals for. So if you see the URLs or blurred out, or the addresses are blurred out, that's the reason why we want to keep it confidential. All right, so we found this 3-unit here for $85,000. As I share, less than $100,000. You might be thinking, man, I can't even find a single family in my backyard for less than $400,000. You're talking about a 3-unit for less than $100,000, $85,000. You got it. So you might be in that situation in which you might have to invest out of state. And I have a video for you below. I definitely want you to take a look at it about investing out of state and so forth, how we go about it. But just check the link below in the description to learn more. So this particular property is a 3-unit for $85,000. Cash flow per unit is $182, pretty sweet. And the return is about 32%. So by the way, when we do these upfront analysis, of course, the cash flow can change, the return can change based upon doing due diligence, because oftentimes the sellers may report things on the property, make it look sweet. However, once we get the deal on the contract, perform due diligence, there might be added expenses. But if the return reduces or the cash flow reduces, that's fine, as long as it still meets our benchmarks, then we're okay with it. But let's take a look at this deal. So we see here it's for $85,500. We have 3 units for $500, $550, and $600 a month. And they're comprised of 1 beds, 1 baths. All right, so not too bad. Now we want to take a look at next, take a look at the deal analysis. All right, so we see here just the current performance of this property. We have 3 units. This is the monthly rent, the vacancy rate. We have some operating expenses here. Just showing you a quick analysis here. Desired cap rate. So we think this property could be worth $99,889. So a little less than $100,000. That's what we think it's worth. But the asking price is $85,500. But we want to see if we can actually offer far less, $72,000 for it. And who knows? The seller might bite. It just depends on how motivated he or she is. All right. So once we enter into the debt service information, the financing, we see here a total annual cash flow. That's sweet, $6,556. $6,556, $546 a month in cash flow, 32% rate of return. So if you're interested in learning more about investing in real estate or even getting a deal like this, as I said, we share these with our students, then make sure you check the link below in the description, because we have a free training for you. All right. As always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.